Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download, install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17 version on Windows Server editions. Like it may be Windows 2019, 2022 or 2025. Okay, I am on Windows Server 2019, but the process is same on all Windows Server versions. Okay, first go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Then click on download. Then click on Windows. Then click on download the installer. See here the versions of the PostgreSQL. See, these are the versions. And if you want to download for Windows, you have to click on this download button under Windows x86-64. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 344 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install the exe file. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to this download folder. Go to download folder or click on this open file. Click on next. See, this is the installation directory. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path area you want to install. I'm okay with the default one. Then click on next and see here it is going to install. See, by default it has selected all components. PostgreSQL Server, pgAdmin, it is the GUI tool, stack builder. See, stack builder may be used to download and install additional tools, drivers and applications to complement your PostgreSQL installation. Command line tools. See, here we have the pgdump, pgbase backup, pgrestore, pgbench and more. Okay, I want to install all the components. It is up to you. Then click on next. See, this is the data directory. If you want some other directory, again click on browse and you can select. Click on next and you have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. Okay, remember this password. Later we need this password to connect. Then click on next and the port number and the default port for the PostgreSQL Server is 5432. If you want some other, you can provide. Then click on next and localize settings. I am going with the default, that is system settings, system default language. Okay, then click on next. See, this is the installation summary. If you want to modify any one of these options, click on back and you can edit. I'm okay with all the settings. Then click on install. Then click on next. Now ready to install, click on next. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. See, installation is completed. Now go to start. See, here we have the PostgreSQL 17 and see here we have these options. So I don't want to start the stack builder, so unselect it and click on finish. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Click on drop down. Then see, here we have the PSQL shell. We will connect from both PSQL shell and pgAdmin. So first connect from the PSQL. Click on it. Server is localhost because it is installed on this one. Database Postgres, port number same, username also Postgres. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. Hit enter. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server. Now verify the version that you have connected. But this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server. So select version. Hit enter. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server 17.5. Let me increase the font size. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server 17.5. Let us verify the list of the users /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres. Also verify list of databases. See, we have these three databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. Create database. Create database. Now verify the same /shell. See, we have the same. You can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name. Select dat name from pg_database. See, we got the same. Okay, now switch to this new database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the /c or /connect. Then name of the database. Hit enter. dt. We don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table customer. See, we have created table customer in public schema. This is the one of the table. Okay, let us insert some data into this table inside. Let us verify the same. Select star from customer. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we will create user. To create user, we have to run the command create user, then username, then username, then provide the password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. \du. See, we have created a user David. Okay, now we will connect with this new user. Okay, so now open pgAdmin. Also open PSQL to connect with this new user. PSQL shell. Open it. Here username is David. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this user. Here I have given. This is the password I have given. So give the same. Let us verify the currently logged in user. See, we have successfully connected with the user David. Okay, now go to pgAdmin. Wait, still it is loading. Not only pgAdmin, we can also connect the most popular tool dbeaver also. Expand it. See, already connection is there. Just we need to provide the password. If you don't have the connection, just right click on it, restart. Then we have to provide the localhost and the username. Okay, so right click and connect to the server, then provide the password of this root, this Postgres user. Click on OK. Expand databases. See, we have created database. If you want to run queries, select that database, right click and query tool. Now we can run the queries here. Okay, so even if you want to connect with the user, right click, restart, then server, then connection name David connection, then go to this connection tab, then localhost, then username is David, then provide the password of this user, then click on save. See, you have successfully connected. Okay, now we can run the queries. Here we can create the databases as well. Right click on databases, create database. Not only that, you can create the logins or group roles or table spaces. Okay, the last option that I want to show you is how to start and restart MySQL service. Windows run, then go to services.msc, hit enter, then press P. See, here we have the PostgreSQL 17. See, service status is running. If you want to restart, right click, restart, and if you want to stop, click on stop. If you want to pause and select the service, and see, here we have the stop and restart links, and see, here we have the buttons like stop and restart. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 17 version on Windows servers. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.